Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Gosh, you guys, thanks for coming back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into cooking pancakes, you guys, with just 3 simple ingredients. So onto our first ingredient, that is flour. We are going to put the flour in a sieve and sieve it. Just basically this is to bring in more air into our dough, into our mixture, that is. And in there I have already put sugar, so I'm putting the dry ingredients together first, and then I will put the milk and the other ingredients, that is the eggs. So here I'm breaking 1 egg at a time. So this is a tip just in case maybe one of the eggs are, but if you break them all together in a bowl, one might be rotten and it's going to spoil the rest of your batch. So one at a time, and they're okay. I put them in there and then I mix them all together. I'm sorry you guys, I don't have a whisk, mine got spoiled, so we're just gonna use a spoon for the purpose of this video, and we mix them in, and let's do this, guys. So guys, here I'm already putting in my milk. I have mixed up the egg and the dry ingredients, and I have started putting my milk in a little at a time, just a little at a time, so that I don't put much. And I had set aside 2 glasses of milk for because I'm not using water. You can use water, you don't have to use milk, you guys, but the milk makes them fluffier and spongy and just yummy, you guys. So let's just mix that together until it is well incorporated, and until you add milk until you get the right consistency that is favorable for you. To achieve fluffiness, you guys, you have to use self-raising flour and you'll get the desired results. In a pan, guys, you heat oil and then you put in your dough, just the right amount, you guys. I like my pancakes, I don't know, thick and fluffy. Now you're just going to let it sit, cook it on low heat, you guys, so that it cooks. You can see the bubbles, just that shows us that the dough, the paste is cooking through, it is cooking. And once that happens, what I am going to do now, you guys, you just don't put a lot of oil on your pancakes. You can see that here I am just dabbing oil on this side, on the top side, and then I'm gonna flip it. Just look at how nice that looks, you guys. And then you let the other side cook, and this is how it's looked like. Wow, nice. So this is all ready, and then you repeat the process. This is now the process. You repeat it until you're done cooking all your pancakes. So just enjoy, you guys. You're gonna get the best yummy, fluffy, creamy pancakes. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more yummy recipes. Bye.